Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog toothbrushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vet's Best Dog Toothpaste Kit. We liked how the toothpaste smelled and tasted. It really helped with bad breath. The natural ingredients made us feel better about using it regularly between vet visits. The triple-headed brush worked well, cleaning front, back, and chewing surfaces in one swipe. It made brushing faster, though it took a few tries to get comfortable using it. We also appreciated the finger toothbrush. It gave us better control and was helpful with picky or smaller dogs. At number 4, we have the HICC Pet Teeth Cleaning Wipes. Using these wipes felt simple and less stressful for both us and our dog. The wipes slip on fingers well, so reaching all teeth was easier than with a normal brush. We appreciated how soft and flexible they are, which seemed to keep our dog relaxed during cleaning. The formula is safe and free of harsh chemicals, so we weren't worried when our dog licked his mouth afterward. After a week of daily use, we noticed his breath was fresher, and the plaque looked lighter around the front teeth. For dogs with tougher tartar, these wipes won't replace a full professional cleaning. They work best for routine maintenance and freshening between brushings or trips to the vet. At number 3, we have the Jasper Dog Toothbrush. We found this toothbrush very simple to use. Just add a few drops of water to help it stretch or grip your finger. The finger fit gives better control in your pet's mouth, so you can clean tough spots with less struggle. The soft silicone bristles worked well on our pet's sensitive gums and didn't cause any complaints or refusal. Our dog seemed more accepting of this than a regular brush, which made brushing easier and more consistent. Because of its 360-degree design, we cleaned all sides of teeth quickly, including the back molars. It saved time while still getting the plaque and buildup off effectively. For very small dogs, it can be a bit bulky and tricky to maneuver. At number 2, we have the Arm & Hammer Dog Dental Kit. Getting our dogs used to brushing took some time, but the included finger brush helped us introduce the paste slowly and kept things calm. The toothpaste tastes good enough that our dogs actually seemed interested rather than turned off. The dual-headed toothbrush covers multiple angles, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach spots. Even after a few weeks, we noticed less plaque buildup and a fresher breath from our pets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pets and Pupps Dog Toothbrush. This toothbrush works well for dogs of different sizes thanks to its dual heads and soft bristles that protect gums. We've found the dual head design very useful because it lets us switch between small and large brush sizes without changing tools. This means we can clean our dog's front and back teeth more effectively. The soft bristles work well to remove plaque without hurting gums, which helped keep our pet calm during brushing. If your dog's mouth is super sensitive, you might find it a bit rough. The handle grips well, even when our dog moves a lot, but it doesn't bend, so it takes some practice to reach certain angles. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.